So hey guys, welcome once again to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you, this is actually my second video on how to speed up the BitTorrent from 10 kbps to 10 mbps. So yeah guys, it's your time now. So BitTorrent, I've already made other videos on the uTorrent, but this time for BitTorrent now. So I thought to make video on this. So before starting this, let me test my internet connection before starting this process, and let me show you my BitTorrent speed after this. So yeah, so 100% complete, and yeah, as you can see my speed is 207 kbps, but let me tell you it's actually 256 kbps. And yeah, I know you're laughing, but let's start. So before starting this, let me start with the main trick what you have to do. So this is actually my BitTorrent. As you can see, it is 7.97 version currently, and let's start. And that's it. We are 84, 1 mbps, 2 mbps. Okay, so I think it's time to stop, and we continue with the video now. For instance, so what I have to do before starting this, let me start from the basics. So whenever you download any torrent file, make sure that the number of seeders is actually greater than the number of leechers. So for instance, if I take this file which I was currently downloading, it will give you a better internet connection other than the ones which have the lower seeder count. So yeah, this was actually the basics one which I thought to tell you. So what you have to do, once you have downloaded this is your torrent file, right? So another thing you could actually do is give a force restart like I did. Another thing you can do is click on update torrent. No, not on update torrent. It is 3 mbps. Okay, good, no problem. So what you have to do is just make sure if your downloading connection goes slow, you can actually go on the clear peer list or reset bans for again doing this, or you can give a stop and restart your torrent file once again. I will go with the preference also, but let me start with the basics only. So once you have done this, make sure, another thing you could actually do is make sure to give the bandwidth allocation to high. Yeah bro, so you could actually do this. As I said, stop and give it a 4 start. And yeah, as you can see, it was 8 kbps. I think you have seen in the video now, and it is giving back to the same speed. So for instance, if you get very slow sleep speed, you can actually give it a 4 start for starting this once again. So let me pause this, and as I said, this, and another thing you can do is set the download limit to unlimited. But if you want upload limit to, you could do actually about 100 kbps. I will suggest that. And let's check the speed is actually pretty good. So try to not to set the upload limit to higher. So yeah, that's for to the unlimited one. You could just do to 100 kbps. If you have 1 mbps speed, that's good. You could give your more speed to other persons, so you can do about 200 kbps, and that's it. So this was the basic things which I thought to share with you all guys. So yeah, once you have done this, now let's start with the preference or the options one which you were actually waiting for. So yeah guys, this is the main important thing which really matters, the downloading speed of your BitTorrent or uTorrent silent. But yeah, let's go ahead with this. Just go to the preference, and let me start with the general. Okay, so the general one is leave it as it is. Next you have to do is UI setting. Make sure the following thing, this is a default, but make sure the following things are set. And I will put my setting.dat also in the description. If you want, you could actually download this instead of watching the video whole. But yeah, so now the main steps come here guys. So for doing the incoming connections, don't try on the random port. Just make sure it is from 45,000 to 55,000. If you are in Asia country, I will suggest you about 50,000 to 55. but if you are USA, then I will suggest you to do the 45 to 50 word thing. So you could give out 47 350, whatever you want, but make sure whatever your random port is, it is between 45 to 55. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, once you have done this, now let's go ahead to the next option, that is bandwidth. So as you can see, whatever it is, maximum upload rate, what it is 00. Now main steps come here. What you have to do is make it to 150. This is my current setting, I thought to share with you. And other thing, you will do maximum number of connection to 100. And once you have done this, and use additional slots, if upload, I will suggest to put 4. But if you are non-Asian country, then you could go ahead with 5 or between 7, 5 or 7. But you can leave it as 4 itself. That's not a big deal. So once we have done with this, these are the default settings. Back again, and yeah, maximum number of active torrent, you could actually do this to 1, I suggest. But what actually it really means is, if you have many torrents you're downloading at once, if for instance if you're downloading 3 torrents at once, so the net connection or the download speed maybe of course will be less, so it will try to do the downloading, or it will do the priority of the first torrent itself with a high speed. So I will just do on 1, or if you want you can just leave it as 8. And another thing, number of active download 5, no problem. Maximum ratio, you can just do it to 100, and that's it. Then scheduler, leave it, and let's go to the advanced one. So yeah, so once you are here, now let's start with here we have to just do the settings with the 2 things, that is BT connect speed, as you can see clearly in the video. So it is 25. What you have to do is just double click, it is here, and just make it to 80, and just click on set. For instance, if it is not working, you will just click on reset, but it is good. And then just scroll down, you will just see search for net max half open. It will be, yeah, that's here, it is 500. You could actually do it to either 100. So that's it. So once you have done this, just tap on apply. Okay. Oops, the downloading is going to complete. Now let me stop this. Oh, it is completely done. Let me force start. I think I have to download another torrent. I will be back. Okay, no, it's not a big deal. Let's download the Central Intelligence, for instance. The downloading has been completed. Lol. So okay. So here it is. Now let's start the downloading speed. Okay, it's 151, 8, 1.9, 2.8, 3.4, 4. What the fuck? 8, 9. Come on, let's go to 5, 5. Yo, 5, 4.4, 5.5. I think this bitch will touch the 6. Yeah, it will touch the 6. Oh, so yeah. So whatever the thing, I think this preference really help you guys. So I was really in the mood to make a video on this. So I've already made another video of few torrents. I've totally made about 4 videos. So this was the another thing. So yeah, last but not the last step, I thought to forget you. Yeah, this is the tracker list. It is the main thing I want to share with you. What you have to do is just copy it. I will just put the link in the description. What you have to do with this is, So just tap on this. Video, and if you have any problem you can just now the speed is coming, yeah, I was waiting for this only. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. This is your host Mr. Namster. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see ya with the next video soon. That's it. Bye bye.